In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find townhomes for rent on Redfin. Whether you're relocating to a new city or just looking for that perfect townhouse, Redfin is a fantastic resource for exploring available rental options. Let's dive into a straightforward step-by-step guide to help you navigate through Redfin's website efficiently. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to redfin.com. Once the Redfin homepage loads, you'll be greeted with the search bar prominently displayed on the screen. This will be your primary tool for finding properties, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with it. If you're new to Redfin, consider creating an account, as this can enhance your search experience by allowing you to save searches and receive notifications on new listings. In the search bar, type the location where you're interested in renting a townhome. For instance, if you're exploring options in San Francisco, simply type San Francisco into the bar. You can also enter specific neighborhoods within your desired city to narrow down your search to areas that fit your preferences. Once you've typed in your location, hit the Enter key on your keyboard or click the Search button. This action will take you to a comprehensive list of available properties in your chosen area. Now that you're on the results page, it's time to refine your search to include only townhomes. To do this, look for the Home Type filter, which is usually located on the left side of the page under various filter options. Clicking on this will present several property types. Find and select Townhouse to ensure that your search results are narrowed down to townhomes only. This is crucial because it allows you to focus solely on the particular type of property you're interested in, saving you time and effort. Once you've selected Townhouse, look for the Done button to apply this filter to your search. Clicking Done will refresh the list to show only townhomes that are available for rent in the location you specified earlier. Take a moment to browse through the listings. Each property will have its details including photos, rental prices, and descriptions, which can give you a good sense of what to expect. You might also want to use other filters, such as price range or number of bedrooms, to further tailor your search according to your needs. By following these steps, you'll navigate Redfin like a pro and be well on your way to finding the perfect townhome rental. Remember, the key to effective home searching is patience and utilizing the available tools to your advantage. Happy house hunting, and see you in the next video.